So here is my base for this pattern. So right now I'm going to commence. I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. So having chain 3, I turn it like so. I yarn over my hook. So I'm going to insert into the second loop with triple crochet. So I proceed into the next loop with triple crochet. So I proceed into the next loop with triple crochet. So right now I'm going to proceed. I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. So having chain 3, I yarn it over. I'm going to count 4 from the base. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll be inserting in the 4th loop, still with triple crochet. So I proceed into the next loop with triple crochet. Into the next loop with triple crochet. So right now I have 3 here. So I'm going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So having chain 4, I yarn it over. Now I'm going to count another 4 from the base. Sorry, here I'm going to chain 3, not 4. So let me start. So I will be chaining 3. 1, 2, 3. So right now I yarn it over. I count 4 at the base. 1, 2, 3, 4. Triple crochet. So I proceed to the next loop, still with triple crochet. Next loop, triple crochet. Next loop, triple crochet. As you can see, I have 4 here. So right now I proceed. I chain another 3. 1, 2, 3. I yarn it over. I count 4 at the base. 1, 2, 3, 4. Triple crochet. Next loop, triple crochet. Next loop, triple crochet. So as you can see, I have 3 here, 3 triple crochet with this big loop. Then here I have 4. Then coming to this place I have 3. So the next one I shall be doing after this loop here, I will be crocheting 4. So that is how it's going to go till I complete this round. As you can see, I've completed this round. Can you see? I have here 3 triple crochet, then the loop interval, then I have 4 triple crochet. Can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I have the loop interval, then I have 3 here again. 1, 2, 3. Can you see? Then the loop interval and the 4 again. So that is how I told you the other time is going to be. You can see, I started with 3 triple crochet here. I end it with 3 triple crochet here. Can you see? 1, 2, 3. So right now I'm going to proceed. I'm going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. So having chained 3, I turn it like so. I yarn it over my hook into the second loop here with triple crochet, where I bring that out first, followed by the next 2 chains, followed by this, because of our new beginner. Now I insert into the next loop with triple crochet. I bring that out first, followed by the next 2 and the last 2 chains, then into the last loop here with triple crochet. I bring that out first, followed by the next 2 chains and the last 2 chains. So right now I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Having chained 3, I insert into this loop here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 7. So right now I'm going to bring it out, and you see. So right now I'm going to proceed into this second loop here. I'll yarn it over the hook. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So I bring it out at a time. So right now I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. So having chained 3, I yarn it over, I insert into this place with triple crochet. I proceed into the next loop, triple crochet, into the next loop, triple crochet, into the next loop, triple crochet. So can you see? So this is how I'm going to proceed till I round up this segment. So what I did here is what I shall be doing in this loop here. So till I round it up. As you can see, I've completed that round. Can you see this round? So right now I'm going to proceed. I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. So having chained 3, I turn it, I yarn it over into the second loop with triple crochet. I proceed into the second loop, the next loop rather, with triple crochet. Next, triple crochet. You see. So right now I'm going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. So having chain 3, in between this big ball I'm going to make another ball. I'm making another ball there. That's 1. That's 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. and 7. So right now I'm going to pull it out. So having pulled it out, I'm going to chain another 3. I have 1, 2, 3. Having chained 3, I yarn it over. I'm going to insert into this loop here. You see, triple crochet, triple crochet, and you see. So right now I'm going to proceed like so till I round up this segment. So in the next loop here, what I did here is what shall be repeated till I finalize till I come to the conclusion of this round. Now, as you can see, I've concluded this round. So right now I'm going to proceed. Can you see? So right now I proceed. I'm going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Having chained 3, I turn it like so, yarn it over my hook into the second loop here with triple crochet. I proceed into the next loop, triple crochet, then into the next loop with triple crochet. So right now I'm going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Having chained 3, I yarn it over my hook into this big loop towards this end with triple crochet. So I proceed into this one, triple crochet, I proceed into this loop towards this side with triple crochet. So right now I'm going to chain another 3. 1, 2, 3. So I yarn it over the hook, I insert right here, triple crochet, into the next loop, triple crochet, triple crochet, so I proceed like so, also into this one, triple crochet, so I continue by chaining another 3, 1, 2, 3. Haven't chained 3, I yarn it over towards this edge here with triple crochet, so into that loop with triple crochet, then towards this edge here with triple crochet. Now if you look at it critically, you discover that when I started from the beginning, I started with 3 chains. If you look at this one, it's also 3, 1, 2, 3. Can you see? And I have the interval of the big loop, then followed by 4 here, 4 triple crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I have the interval of the loop, then I have 3 here. So the next one is going to be 4 like that till I complete this round, and this round marks another round of another set. We have completed the set here, so this is how we are going to complete and round up this tutorial. I've completed this round. Can you see? Can you see? As you can see, I've completed this. So right now I'm going to do the conclusion of it. Can you see? Concluded. So I proceed to the last round, where I'm going to insert this one on this. Now, so far so good. We have come to the conclusion of this tutorial. If you like this video, you can click on the liking button to appreciate this work. And like I always say, each time you watch my tutorial, endeavor to practice it, because practice makes perfect. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Till I come your way again, bye for now.